draw a funny giraffe with a long neck. First, draw the head and muzzle. Yellow. Good job. Now draw a little mouth. Wonderful. And draw 2 oval ears. One ear, black. And the other ear. Now draw the funny horns, sticks with little circles. Pink. Nicely done! Draw the giraffe's body and long neck. Very good! Now add some beautiful round spots. Black. Amazing! Draw the giraffe's legs and hooves. First, the 2 hind legs. And now, the 2 front legs. Only one more step and your giraffe is ready. Draw the giraffe's funny tail with a little switch. Pink. What a beautiful giraffe you've drawn. Look, your giraffe really likes balloons.